What's going on, guys? So today we are down here. We have decided to put the chicken coop back together. We had chickens a couple of years ago, and we gave them to a farm because we were going out of town and heading to Alaska and stuff and done some traveling. COVID's hit, and I think everybody knows the current situation of our economic statute. Everything's getting expensive, and we kind of figured for as many eggs as us and our family and stuff eats, we could probably save some money by just feeding some chickens. We got plenty of land here for them to roam on and everything, and free range. So we are fixing the coop. Originally this had fencing and stuff on the end. When we didn't have chickens, we took it out, and we use that to store stuff, as far as like the lawnmower and things of that nature. So what we're doing right now is we're putting it back together, and I'm just going to tell you a couple of things that we figured out when we were doing chickens. You can see I've already took the tractor and come in here and I have dug this out. I dug this out on this side because when we took this section out, we pulled it out. What we do is we run our chicken wire down in the ground and kind of roll it out. That way anything like foxes, dogs, raccoons, whatever it wants to get in there and get to our chickens, they try to dig under from the outside. And the way we've got this coop set up is all the way around the outside. It's got about a foot of that dib wire, the little octagon shaped wire that goes down in the ground, and then we cover it up with dirt and we pack it back down. What that does is if they start digging down in there, it starts cutting up the pads of their paws, and they stop and they just go on and try to find something else. Most of you scavengers and stuff like that are opportunists. If you leave a bag of trash out and they can tear the bag open, they're gonna eat it. They're not going to take the time to chew a bungee cord in half and pull the lid off and dig through the trash and find what they want. They want a quick, easy meal, get in, get out type thing. They're a fast food type animal, I guess you might say. So basically what we got right now is I got to put the center support back in, and once I do that, we'll be ready to start stretching some wire, and I'll get you a view down here at the bottom of actually putting that mesh down to where it goes down in there and keeps them from digging into it. So stick with me, we're gonna throw the support in, and we'll be right back and fill you in as we go. All right, guys, so you can see here, we've got all our wire on. We done our chicken wire here for our chickens, and then we went back with this 2x4 wire here. Basically, I wanted it from right here down. This keeps possums, fox, or something like that from chewing through this wire. Eventually, they can get through it. It's happened before. They pulled on it, and finally broke it. So we put this over it just to give it a little bit of added protection. But the biggest thing is this trough we dug right here. Now I've got my fence pushed down in here, maxed down flat. It goes down and curves out some. So if something comes over here and starts digging, they're going to hit that fence, and it's going to want to make them stop digging. So now all we got to do is backfill this back in, and we're done. We're ready for chickens. Got to put them in there, get them some scratch feed, put some sand down for them, and they'll be ready to go. So guys, listen, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Drop comments or questions down below. This is a good way to predator proof your chicken coop if you have one that's stationary. A lot of people have the mobile coops and stuff that they can move around, and those are great. It's going to be harder to predator proof that, but hopefully this will help you out in the spring season. If you decide to get chickens, this gives you an idea of how to set your coop up and stuff, and we'll be coming to you with some more videos on the chickens once we get them here. Guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Stick with us. We'll be coming to you with more. Drop comments or questions down below. Give us a thumbs up, and as always, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button.